I'm Kat and this is my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing anime and manga reviews, discussions, top 10s, vlogs, Q&As. Q&As are going to be on a weekend, and there you can ask me not only about anime and manga, you can ask me about movies, TV shows, because I'm going to speak about them too there. And I'm doing all these reviews because I stutter, and I hope by doing this is that they are going to be my treatment, that I need to push myself to do this and take minutes and minutes of this, so to perform better speaking and concentrate myself on this, and 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 speaking about things I love, sharing thoughts, experience, point of views on them, and treatment are going to be in here. And my dream is to speak well, with with no troubles, stops, and I want I want everything to be okay, and I hope you can be a part of my dream. And happy Halloween to everyone.